Here are 9 AI skills you can develop to stay ahead of the curve. 1. Prompt engineering. Mastering this skill is like learning to speak AI fluently. It involves crafting clear and concise instructions to get the most out of AI tools. Think of it as writing effective prompts to an AI assistant to generate the content you desire. 2. AI-powered personal branding. In today's digital world, AI can help you leverage your unique strengths and showcase them online. Explore how AI tools can personalize your resume, optimize your social media presence, or even create a compelling personal brand statement. 3. Data storytelling and visualization. Data is powerful, but it can be overwhelming. Learn how to use AI tools to transform complex data into clear, engaging stories and visualizations. This skill will make you a master communicator in the age of information overload. 4. Creative AI thinking. Don't just see AI as a tool, see it as a creative partner. Explore how AI can help you brainstorm new ideas, generate unexpected solutions, and push the boundaries of what's possible. 5. AI business strategy and implementation. AI is no longer just science fiction. Businesses are using it to gain a competitive edge. Understand how to integrate AI into your organization's strategy and implement AI-driven solutions for success. 6. AI project management. Just like any other project, AI initiatives need proper management. Learn how to plan, execute, and monitor AI projects to ensure they deliver the desired results. 7. Natural language processing, NLP. This is the foundation of human-computer interaction. Understanding NLP will equip you to better communicate with AI systems and interpret their responses. 8. Understanding AI limitations. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. Develop a critical eye to recognize AI's limitations and make informed decisions about when and how to use it effectively. 9. Curiosity and continuous learning. The world of AI is constantly evolving. Cultivate a curious mindset and commit to lifelong learning to stay ahead of the curve and embrace new AI advancements as they emerge. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for such useful content.